and discuss very important topic that is called how to set up Facebook Ads Manager. Means how to create type of ads using by the Ads Manager. First of all, select option called is facebook.com/manage. M-A-N-A-G. Manage. Facebook.com/manage. So in this one, select your billing. Select your billing. In this, go to your payment setting. The payment about ad payment will be selected by your total option will be here. That is called your prepaid balance, debit or credit card, Facebook ad coupon, net bank and Paytm wallet. There are 4. This will be Indian rupees. Suppose I have to change my currency. So I go for add account. What my currency will be? Indian rupees. So how to change my currency? So what is showing for India? It will be fixed. So a lot of people are confused. Where I can change my currency? Where I can change my Ads Manager currency? So a lot of people are getting confused how to change my current country currency. That will be, go to your Facebook profile. The option call is settings. Option call is settings. In this, go to option call is payments. Option call is payments. In these payments, we can select option call is account settings. Which one? Account setting. In this account settings, you can change your billing process currency country. That is called, what are the currency you want needed? Add your currency. You can change your currency, automatically change by your Ads Manager currency. India only accept by the 4 condition: credit card, debit card, net banking, Paytm wallet, and Facebook ads coupon. But other countries accept only for 2 condition: Facebook ads campaign and credit card. Debit card not accepting, only for credit card and Facebook ads campaign. That is called ads coupon. Please note down these options.